If you come back here within a year to this property, you will be arrested, okay?
Right.
All right, guys. No, we're not doing this. We're not. Hey!
Relax, relax.
Bro, I'm trying to walk!
She was punched first. She had a witness. She had the injury. So why did she leave in handcuffs?
What happened?
I was in the store. They came in arguing. I thought they were going to go their separate directions. They did not. They continued fighting, so I got involved. And I was like, girl, it's not.
Who was the primary aggressor, do you think? Like, who was really
They
agitated?
were both going at it.
Okay.
They were both aggressing each other.
All right.
And then a physical fight started.
She just left from the back. She opened our back door and then
Okay.
so you probably both
Because the car started over there by her.
Okay.
Hello. Hi, I'm Officer Sang with Boca Raton Police Department. Do you mind to tell me what's going on today? So that way we can let
I
this
don't know
off.
who that white girl is, but she just swung on me, so I'm going to beat her ass.
Okay, so
I told them.
Okay, so I wasn't here, right? So my name's Officer Sanger. Some people call me Mookie. What's your name? When you're ready, okay? All right, you can be.
I don't want to talk. I see red right now. Okay. I want to fight.
Okay.
I don't care to talk. I want to fight. I did not touch that girl. She put her hands on me. I'm going to her up. I don't want to talk. I want to fight. Stop talking to me. Leave me alone. I want everybody to get out of my face until they come outside because I'm going to her up.
So you don't know who she is?
I don't know who that girl is. I've never seen that a day in my life, but you swung on the wrong.
Why'd she do this to you?
Listen, because my friend pulled into a parking spot, so she gets out the car talking shit. So I'm like, what the are you talking about? You just mad over a parking spot? So I'm like, girl, what the are you talking about? We in the place, we in there arguing. She swing on me and she trying to run. So I grab that by her hair and I start tagging her ass. So when she come out, I'm gonna her up.
Okay. So how did you get the mark on your lip? Did she do that? She punched you in the face?
That's what I just said.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't completely understand the wording that you used, okay?
Who are you?
You guys together? Are you okay with her?
Stop asking me questions. Talking to me. Okay. Oh my God, bro, you got to put a picture. Oh.
Okay.
Where is she at?
Are you friends?
Yo.
What's her name? No. Hey. Okay.
I need you to know. All right, no.
Wait, you need to take a deep breath.
I can't. Stand up and try to come down. I can't come down. I want to fight now.
All right, but you can't.
Listen.
But you can't.
It's wrong on me.
Hey, I need you to
And
look
she
at
tried
me.
to run.
I need you to look at me.
Work.
You have police officers behind you.
I don't
Relax.
care.
But you need to.
I don't
Relax.
care.
Relax. You need to get a peace of mind. Relax.
Were you involved in a fight?
No, I wasn't involved. I just rolled up
Okay,
to go to the dollar store and I saw the fight in the window.
Okay.
There.
What did you see exactly, if you don't mind me asking?
I saw a cluster of 3 or 4 girls all had each other by the hair, beating the shit out of each other.
Okay.
And first I saw a guy who was like backing up like this in the corner, like
Got
he
it.
didn't want nothing to do with it. And then I panned over, see the group of girls, at least 1 or 2 of them worked there.
Okay.
And the guy eventually went over and pulled one of the chicks off, and then everything from there was kind of like below the sight line of the tables, and I couldn't see.
Okay. I appreciate it. Did you see a fight?
I didn't see the fight, but I saw what happened originally.
Okay, what happened originally?
Sorry for my descriptive terms.
You're fine.
The white girl comes
Yeah.
walking up. I was already just sitting here eating. The white girl comes walking up in the back of the parking lot, and the other girl that's yelling at front. She's already walking in, and the white girl's going.
What did the do you know what the white girl was wearing?
Black hoodie and baggy sweatpants, and there was a red
Black hoodie, baggy sweatpants.
like a red accent.
Hey, we're gonna go check Lake Wyman.
And I think she's still in the Chipotle. I haven't seen her walk out.
Okay.
Maybe she's in the bathroom. I don't know.
Okay.
But, she was the one that walked up first yelling, "Girl, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?" And she kind of, from what I could tell through the window, verbally started it.
So, Mariah, you were in here. Something happened with the parking spot. She got upset, came in and swung at you. Caused this. And then she tried to run away, so you stopped her.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, well, I need to confirm what you said, okay? Because I don't want to have any information wrong. Are you waiting here because you want to fight her?
Yes.
Okay, so if that's the case, then I'm going to have to prevent you from doing that. Okay, because we're not going to have a fight. We're not going to have a physical altercation where you're waiting to fight here, okay? Now, if she needs to go to jail today for what she did, then I need you to work with me to tell me what's going on, okay? If she's the one who caused the problem today, we want to do something about that, okay?
Okay, so go find her then.
Well, I can't find her. I don't know what she looks like. I don't know.
We're trying to help you to prevent you from getting in trouble. We're trying to see you did this to you to make sure you're not at fault. If you don't want to work with us, that's an issue for you. We're trying to help you. Do you want to work with us or not? Because if your solution to this is fighting her, that's not going to end well for anyone here. So do you want to work with us or not? We're here to help you. We're just going to be stubborn.
I already told y'all what I want.
No, you didn't.
So
you
I
said
said
you
I
want
want to beat her ass.
Oh, well, that's
We
not,
can't
that's
do
not
that.
happening.
Can't do that. We can't watch that. Then automatically you have to go to jail. Is that what you want to do? You want to go to jail?
You're seeing that right now. I get it. You're hot in the head. I get it. But you need to take a breath and let us help you. And if you don't want that help, just say the words.
Tell us you don't want us to help you, okay?
I don't want help.
You don't want help.
I don't want help.
Well,
Okay.
listen, if you don't want our help and you choose to linger around here and you see this person and you fight her, you're coming with us later. So before we leave here, I highly recommend you rethink about what you want us to do and let us help you.
I don't want help.
Okay.
I don't need help.
Hi. So apparently there was a physical fight.
There was, correct.
Can I see it on the camera?
Let me ask. I don't have access to it, so let me ask my manager.
Okay, they were just telling me, they were pointing me in this direction, that saying you were the one that would have
Let
it.
me just ask.
What does this white girl look like?
White girl.
How old is she?
I'm not around my age. Like
Yeah,
I
she
said,
ran
max
with.
18 to 20.
Okay, so 18 to 20. What was she wearing?
She was wearing a gray sweatshirt or gray sweater,
Gray sweater.
Yeah.
What else?
sweatpants,
Uh-huh.
and then she was about yay high, like just a bit taller than me.
Okay.
And then she had blonde, like yellowish hair,
Okay.
and then that's what I could describe. And then she had that was really, her keys. She had this like towel character on her key.
Her what?
keychain. Like towel character on her keychain. She
A
was
towel?
Like, yeah, like a towel on her keychain.
Okay. I'm trying to see if I can get video footage. They don't have access to it at the moment.
Oh really?
But that girl, supposedly they were in here when they fought. So I want to see the footage.
I thought it was outside.
No, they went outside after the fight. Apparently something about parking. She came in here and then swung at her, and then she went to run away, so she grabbed her and threw her down.
Who threw her down? This girl threw her down?
Yes.
After the other girl swung at her?
After the other girls, you see her lip and the thing after she swung at her. He does? Okay. Can I see?
I mean, you don't really. Oh yeah, there you go. And then the girl's on the right.
Do you mind if I relook at it?
Yeah, y'all go.
Okay.
Damn, still a haymaker.
Yeah. So.
Them punches, I heard them.
Bro, I seen you, Mark, and Nashville. I was like, I don't think I knew.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody.
Is there anything you could trespass with them?
Sure.
Yes.
I'll let them know. Matt, you ready?
do one because the other one.
The other one's gone. I can't trespass. Somebody's not here. Can I have
like my
your ID? Yeah.
like my license ID?
Yes, please. That's how I trespass somebody. Is I need you're considered the manager.
Still waiting on this.
I got no idea.
Do you feel comfortable to tell her yourself, or do you want me to tell her as a representative for you? Like, do you feel comfortable, or are you scared?
I mean, I could. It doesn't matter.
Do you feel comfortable to say, "Hey, you're no longer welcome here"?
But
I'll be with you.
can
Well, I'll
just
be
tell her
here.
it's
You
fine.
tell her.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Mariah, you've now been trespassed from the store. The manager no longer wants you to be here, so you have to leave the store and the premises. Okay.
How am I gonna leave if I didn't drive?
Sorry.
How am I gonna leave?
You can go to the next property, or you can go to the sidewalk over there, but you can't stay here. Okay? Would you like to sign a refusal form to say you don't want to prosecute against her with my sergeant? Would you like to? Okay. Well, you don't have to talk to me, but you got to leave. If you come back here within a year to this property, you will be arrested. Okay? You go right now.
Yes.
If she don't leave,
Yeah, I'm about to.
she's gonna get arrested by somebody here tonight.
Okay.
Okay?
Can I put
So
her
she's
in
got
the
to
car?
leave.
Can I put her
Is that her car?
This is Casey's car, but they came together.
Okay.
So
Can she drive? No.
She probably could, but she's frantic, so I don't know.
Yeah. Probably not a good idea.
So I was just gonna take them and go back to campus, and then bring somebody to come get
Wonderful.
the car.
Okay.
So can I put her in that car for right now? While
If she has to leave, right?
Okay.
So that's the biggest thing. She's got to leave. Okay. That's her car, but she's having a panic attack, so she can't drive right now. She's got her, and then she's also willing to take.
Okay. So do you think it'd be
Maya.
better if I take them right now and then come back and get your phone?
Yes, that would be the best idea. Thank you, Jade. Been very helpful. All right, guys. No, we're not doing this. We're not. Hey.
Get off of me! Bro, I'm trying to walk! Bro, call my auntie, bro.
Is that her wallet?
Bro, no, I'm not talking. Okay, y'all don't gotta manhandle me. Y'all don't gotta manhandle me. I'm relaxing. Call my auntie. 561. Not Jade. Can you please get your phone and call my auntie? Pussy ass. Oh, they just want to take me to jail.
Yes, you're going to jail. Okay, you are under
Bro,
arrest. Okay, we
I was
tried.
gonna walk to
We tried.
school. What the are you talking about? All y'all for me. I'm 125 pounds.
This is not what we wanted to do tonight.
Clearly it is, because we doing it.
I beg you to leave.
Bro, I was gonna walk to school.
Sorry.
You're okay.
What are you talking about? I don't want to be in no car right now. I want to be by myself and cool the
All right, have a seat.
The answer is not about who struck first. It is about the legal line she crossed in the seconds that followed. 3 statutes, 3 violations, 1 case study in how a victim becomes a defendant before the officer ever reaches for the handcuffs. Oklahoma Statute, Title 21, Section 643. Force in self-defense is justified only while the threat is imminent. When imminence ends, the legal protection ends with it. The moment the other woman turned and attempted to flee, the threat of imminent harm legally ceased. Pursuing her and continuing to strike crosses from Section 643 into battery under Section 642. Her own account. Delivered voluntarily on Bodycam before arrest. Documented this transition without ambiguity. The statute that applied in the first second did not apply in the next. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436 1000. 966. Advisement of rights supplies only before custodial interrogation. Every voluntary statement made before arrest is fully admissible. Stating intent to commit battery directly to officers on Bodycam is not protected speech. It is documented evidence of criminal intent, usable by any prosecutor without restriction. Oklahoma Statute Title 21, Section 1000. 835. 3 elements for a valid trespass notice. Authorization from the owner or agent, direct communication to the subject, and a stated legal consequence. All 3 were satisfied and recorded on Bodycam from that moment. Remaining on the premises constitutes criminal trespass after warning. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 318, 2001. Warrantless arrest is permissible for misdemeanors committed in an officer's presence. This interaction satisfies that standard on every element. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1000. 989. Force must be objectively reasonable, judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with hindsight. Misdemeanor charges. No weapons. Restraint limited to handcuffing. Final charges. Title 21, Section 1000. 835 and Title 21, Section 268. Penalty, fine up to $500 or 6 months in county jail. Lesson 1. Self-defense ends the moment the threat ends. Pursuing a retreating aggressor converts the defender into the offender. Most people do not know this line exists until they have already crossed it. Lesson 2. Voluntary pre-arrest statements carry full evidentiary weight. Cooperation when you are the victim preserves your legal standing. And stated criminal intent, delivered on camera, eliminates sit. Lesson 3. A valid trespass notice creates immediate criminal liability. Authorization obtained, notice delivered, consequence stated. Remaining on the property is no longer a gray area. The woman who threw the first punch walked away. The woman who received it left in handcuffs. The procedure was correct at every step, but the primary aggressor faces no accountability. At the moment of arrest, did the officer have discretion he chose not to use? If the subject is a minor, does this entire analysis hold? Where exactly should the line have been drawn? The statute answers part of that question, not all of it.